Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I will teach you about how to print in the pyramid pattern in C++. So let's start the video. I'm actually working in the code blocks. You can either use code blocks or you can set up the C++ in Visual Studio Code, or you can also use online code editor for it. In all the platform, it will work finely. Do not worry, just do with me. I have defined n equal to 10, where n is equal to the number of the size of the pyramid, and I'm using nested loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, and for int j is equal to 0, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Outside this for loop, you have to change the line. So in C++ you can change the line by end line or by using \n. I'm going to write using end line. And now it definitely work. Actually forget the semicolon. So now I think it work. So you can see the half pyramid with 10 length. If you count the length, it will be of 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And please like the video, comment below if you have any query, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.